We have to assign the courier provider for all packed shipments if the shipment is provided by you and not the channel through which it was raised. To decide on a courier service for these shipments, we consider two factors. First, the system checks the priority of a courier provider, which is already defined by you. Second, its pin code serviceability. Please note that the pin code serviceability checks whether a courier service is available in a particular area. The serviceability page shows you the existing values defined for each courier provider. To add a new location, click on the designated button on the top right corner of the screen. Select the shipping provider and its method, cash on delivery or prepaid, and the pin code. The priority should be set to 1 to make it most preferable, or greater values like 2, 3, and so on to reduce its preferability. The routing code is an optional field required by some providers to define set of routing options to specific locations in a given area. This configuration is useful especially in the case of reverse pickups. Following these steps, you can create an entry on the serviceability page for that particular courier provider. To make bulk entry for pin code serviceability of the courier providers, click on Tools and select Import. Select the import type as shipping provider location. You update the existing file. Make sure that you always upload a file with all the pin codes since it overrides the existing file. Download CSV format and fill in all the mandatory fields which are marked with an asterisk. These include pin code, shipping provider method which is set to STD for standard. The COD flag is set to 1 if the service is available for cash on delivery. The shipping provider name and mention the priority as 1, 2, 3 and so on.